In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Harish Kohli's Lifetime Achievement Award speech at the Exhibit Tech Awards 2022. Maybe you're a fan of technology, or perhaps you have a keen interest in industry leaders and their journeys. Either way, you're in the right place to access this remarkable speech. Let's dive in and get you set up to watch this inspirational talk. First things first, let's head over to YouTube. Open your preferred web browser and enter youtube.com in the address bar. YouTube is an excellent platform for accessing a vast library of videos, including official speeches and award ceremonies. Once you've landed on the YouTube homepage, it's time to locate that search bar. You'll typically find it pinned at the top of the page, ready to help you explore the content you're interested in. In the search bar, you're going to type the following: Harish Kohli Exhibit Tech Awards 2022 speech. Typing the exact title helps you filter through the myriad of content on YouTube and narrows down your search to precisely what you're looking for. Make sure your spelling is accurate, as this ensures more precise search results. As you scan through the list of videos that appear, your goal is to find the official Exhibit Tech channel or verified uploads. Channels that are official or verified typically have a checkmark badge next to their name, which keeps you on track to view quality, authentic content. Verified uploads tend to be of higher quality, both in terms of video and information accuracy, ensuring you don't miss any vital parts of Harish Kohli's speech. Once you've identified the video from a verified channel, go ahead and click on it. Now at this point, you're ready to settle in and enjoy the speech. Depending on the video listings, you might find a few options: the complete speech, or perhaps a highlighted version that captures key moments. Either option is a great way to absorb the insights shared by Harish Kohli during this prestigious event. Remember, the speech is a recognition of Kohli's monumental contributions to the tech industry, offering valuable insights and inspirations. With these simple steps, you're equipped to watch it in full or enjoy those impactful highlights that continue to inspire viewers around the globe. So, that's it. You've successfully navigated YouTube to watch Harish Kohli's Lifetime Achievement Award speech. Enjoy the inspiration and knowledge from this exemplary tech leader. Whether you're watching for the first time or revisiting for more insights, you now have access to all the wisdom and motivation this talk offers.